Hello lovely people and welcome back to my channel. Can we just get into this lovely sunlight hour? I'm sorry, I'm gonna have to back up. I've been a bit MIA. We just have those times and we need to give ourselves a break. Today's video is all about why I eat in a day. If you want the diet to have those BBL allegations, keep on watching. For those who are trying to gain weight, trying to bulk, no word of a lie, you guys, I've gained like a couple kgs in a few weeks. It used to take me ages to like gain weight. Like I could never ever gain weight. I'm happy that we are a BBL allegation. We haven't eat, like literally it's 11. Yeah, the clocks went back. First thing in the morning always. I don't care if you're trying to lose or trying to gain weight. Need water. Need to hydrate that body. I take these iron tablets and they have 14 grams of iron. These make me feel a bit more energized because sometimes I'd be feeling fatigued and that. It's not cute. Protein powder, we'll be taking this as well. This, my friend, is the key how you're gonna gain some healthy weight. And as well, this is vegan, but make sure you're using like a plant-based milk or water or something, but I just use regular milk. If you're on a bulking journey, trying to gain that weight, you gotta prioritize that protein. Let's make some breakfast because I am super duper hungry. For breakfast, we're gonna have a egg sandwich. So usually I have 3 to 4 eggs. I live with other people, so I have to be like kind of considerate. And you just stir it around. Now we're gonna wait for that to sizzle. Raise your hand if you hate eggs. You're not allergic, but just raise your hand. I'm sorry, but you're just gonna have to man up. But there's a lot of protein in this bad boy. Some egg white just got on the camera lens. Oh my god. I'm kind of used to the taste of egg, but I just can't help seasoning it. If I had to season it, I will season it 9 times out of 10. Make it nicer and go in with some all-purpose seasoning because you can never go wrong with that. If you can, just try your best to eat egg. If you really don't like it, don't force yourself. I like to listen to a podcast. Right now I'm not listening to one because I really just want to absorb like the stillness right now. Since we're having a egg sandwich, we gotta have some bread. Eggs are done, so we can put the eggs on the toast because we can't have an egg sandwich without the toast. Have maybe one of these, so I have like eggs separate and have these as my carbs because yeah, sometimes you gotta switch it up. Can't have it all the time, you know, it gets a bit too repetitive. So my doctor did an amazing job. Doctor as in me, put in work, put it. I love to add honey. I saw this thing on TikTok because we trust TikTok. I saw this thing where if you have like a teaspoon of honey with salt, it gives you like some crazy amount of energy before you go to the gym. I try to eat fruit as much as possible. It's very easy to like forget eating fruits, I think. So this is our breakfast today. Honey by itself like is gross. When it comes to weight gain or losing weight, don't force yourself to eat a lot of food. I was recommended to have 6 eggs a day. I started with having 1 egg because hello, hated eggs. Then later on 2, later on 3, later on 4. Then I mixed it up. Sometimes I have boiled, sometimes I have scrambled. Meal prepping is really good when you're trying to sort out your new diet, your new gym diet. I don't like to call it a diet. Too many rules, too many rules. I'm not saying eat junk food every day. Just keep it balanced, you know what I mean? It's all about balance. I don't know if weight gain has anything to do with age because when I was 19, I was trying to gain weight. Really hard to like consume, you know what I mean? But I've noticed as I'm getting older, I'm able to increase more. And another thing that I try avoid as well, to avoid like you getting full quick, don't drink and eat at the same time. I'm gonna finish off this brekkie and then I'm gonna show you how we make our protein. So now we're gonna be making the protein shake. Earth Champ kindly gifted me in the flavor vanilla. This is the best protein shake I've ever had. Like I've seen like proper results. The one that I used to take was Supermass, I think. You know the one Supermass that you see in all like the stores and stuff. I'm not gonna lie, I've been seeing like crazy results. I gained 1,000 grams the next week or even the next day. Literally put 2 scoops of protein powder. This is like the color of it. So we already have ice in here because I like to keep it nice and cool. Don't add too much, otherwise you'll turn it into a slushy. It's so annoying when that happens. I'll be also adding a banana. This is really good. This is your time to add all your protein. Is this banana even right? I I like to add oats. Unfortunately, ran out of oats. Adding oats, ooh, you will build like crazy. Like half a cup of milk. Almost ready to mix it up. I add this onto it, and then I put this setting on number 4. Always unplug your circuits and switches and stuff. Like, don't leave the blender on. Like, I don't use a smoothie cup, I use this cup. And I put my straw. I prefer drinking it like this. And I don't really have coffee because like the banana already gives me a lot of energy, but having this with oats is like so much better. Like, it's like a breakfast. My love, you can have this literally on the go. But my lashes are, I'm gonna have to top up because some fell off when I was sleeping. I forgot to mention that this protein shake is very gut friendly, okay? Your belly literally won't be bubbling. 57 grams of protein. If you can snack on top of that, don't push yourself too much. Again, after breakfast, I'm not super duper full. We ate like a good amount of protein. This lasts me usually a day. Sometimes I finish it in half a day. I really don't like my hair right now. I'm gonna do it again off camera. I like to wear makeup going to the gym because if any of you guys were just wondering, no, I do not keep count of like the calories that I take. I don't. Again, with that, I just feel like it just makes it so boring. Like getting your dinner or whatever and you're like, oh my gosh, it has this calories, I need this amount of calories, need this amount of calories. No, I know I should be consuming about 97 grams of protein. Not saying I'm half of that weight, but I was recommended that by a personal trainer. But do I take 97 grams per day? Probably not. Maybe I take 80 some days, maybe I take 60, 70. We are looking good right now. I'm so happy that I changed my hair. Literally all I did was I made a part. It was a side part before, but that headband now, it just looked too ugly. I'm gonna have lunch now because it's 2:30. Sometimes I have lunch at 1. Give me a hug, give me a hug, give me a hug, give me a hug. Miss you girls, give me a hug, give me a hug. I'm talking to you, baby. I'm talking to you, baby. I miss you, yeah. Sorry, you guys, I got a bit of my feelings there. Also, eat 3 times a day. 3 times a day. Like, push yourself to eat 3 meals a day. And just because you're drinking your protein shakes doesn't mean you should be missing on water, especially if you're taking creatine. I take creatine. Creatine contains a lot of sodium. Oh my goodness, you have to drink a lot of water, otherwise your liver is finished, rude boy. So I thought we had chicken breast. No, it's cool. I once cooked this meal before. Having ramen noodles and some boiled eggs is so nice. Oh, we're having a lot of eggs today. Oh well, it's going towards our protein and we got our protein shake, so we're fine. Oh, I just got electrocuted. No, I just got an electric shock. I decided to eat outside, so this is our lunch for today. Super simple, super easy, but you're getting a lot of protein and it's a nice meal. And here I've got some, I don't even know, it's like a tropical fizzy drink. Balance, balance, balance. One of the main reasons why I try to avoid sugary things as much as I can is because of acne. Eat it. Yes, I put ketchup because eggs. Really romanticize your diet, you guys. It doesn't have to be the strict thing where it's just like dreading it all the time. It can be really fun. Meal prep, find you some inspo on Pinterest. You can never go wrong with a pot noodle and like making it nice and cute because we need carbs, we need the energy for working out today. This could be a good thumbnail. Let me try. My cat, she's spying on me. I always feel like somebody's watching me. And I have no privacy. I literally packed my microphone already in my bag, so sorry if the audio is a bit crappy right now. We are about to leave because we gotta go gym. I like going in the afternoon. I don't really see myself switching the times that I usually go to the gym anytime soon. I once went at 7 a.m. was alright. I feel like I have the most energy at this time. We'll be bringing the protein shake with us because I heard 30 minutes after you work out, or literally right after you work out, when you finish your gym session, drink you some protein. Bring in my AirPods as well because we need music. Got the weightlifting belt because we will be doing our deadlifts. Pretty please comment down below what time you go to the gym. Just because you're going to be sweating doesn't mean you have to smell like sweat. We are ready to go, so I'll see you guys at the gym. I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kind of like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a road that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. I can't just be with you, I'm only you. I got one Virgil, got one, and that there's the only two, man. How many times have I shown it through, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving the potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels on the road, okay? Funny how life goes. He thought he was sick, now we wiping his nose, okay? Soon as you give him your soul, you blow up and they say you're selling your soul, okay? They want my life exposed, they want to know about the highs and lows. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, hey, see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kind of like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a road that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. Hey, yeah, I got one lawyer, got one, and that there's the only two, man. How many times have I told you the truth, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving them potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels or fuck up the deals. I'm posted in Stockholm, it's me, the Owls, and the twins, it's only the real. I'm moving way too humble, Weezy and handed it off, I still got no fumbles. I'm on a hot 100, numero uno, this one ain't come with a bundle. Guys, we just finished our workout. I've been doing pull and glutes on the same day for a year now. I think I'm gonna do them on separate days because I am so exhausted. Even like on my final workouts, I was like so exhausted. You're gonna tire yourself out. I don't know how I've been doing it, to be honest. We got our protein shake. Let's go to the store. We are in the store. I need to start making it a habit of spending all the time. Literally, I get my same old, I get my juice. This my cookie, this my juice. Blackiana. No, but Ariana Grande is foul for doing that. They've got good protein here. I recommend the yogurts. I'm trying to find. I don't know if I should get jelly beans. Jelly beans on pearls. And by the way, I don't eat all of this in a day. I literally finish it in like a week, so yeah. It is 9:45. Literally just took a shower. I feel so relaxed right now. Rice, green veg, and some beef. It's a blessing to eat 3 times a day. Blessing, blessing. Be grateful, be grateful. Just be grateful. Thank you, God, for this food that is microwaving right here. Oh. At the start of February, I was 57, now I'm 60. What I think really helped me is avoid drinking water and eating at the same time. The protein shakes have definitely made it quicker. Like, I was gaining, but not as fast. Prioritizing protein, that's it. Like, eat your nuts, have your carbs. As well, carbs are important. And just stack. Put some mash in there, put some potatoes, put some chicken. But I like to put fruit with any meal I have, and I like to eat at the same time. I also got a glass of Vimto. That's it. We don't take no pre-workout, no pills, no weight gain pills. You don't need none of that. Get you a gut-friendly smoothie. Eat that English breakfast in the morning. You want to really eat your meats, you know what I mean? And instead of going for 1, have 2, have 3. If you're getting coffee, add some cream on it. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this, what I eat in a day. I hope it was helpful. You got to see a bit of my workout routine. If you have any questions about anything with the gym or diet related, let me know and I will answer for you. Let me know.